Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look inside our balcony stateroom on the Norwegian Dawn. The cabin opens up nicely and it's compact but well laid out. You can see the light coming in from the balcony at the far end, which makes the room feel bigger. Over here on the couch area, a good spot to sit, relax for a bit. It's also handy for extra storage if you've got a third guest in the cabin. When we first arrived, the beds were arranged in two twins, but we asked the room steward to move them together for us, which you'll see a bit later. Now let's head out on the balcony, which is honestly one of the best parts of this stateroom. You've got two chairs and a small table, just enough room to sit comfortably with a beverage or watch the sail away in the evening. The rail is glass, so you get a clear view even while sitting down. This is a big plus. You can feel the sea breeze, hear the sounds of the port, and once the ship starts moving, it's one of those views that reminds you why a balcony cabin is worth it. And if you do the full walkthrough with me, you'll see one of my favorite views at the end. Heading into the bathroom, I do like the setup, with separate spaces for the toilet, sink, and shower, so more than one person can use it at a time. And the shower has a solid door instead of a curtain, which is nice. The sink is lacking a bit in counter space, enough for a toiletry bag, but make sure to look below the sink if you need a bit more room. It's simple, clean, and easy to keep organized during your cruise. Back in the main area, you've got the desk, where you will find two outlets for a charging gear. There's one more in the cupboard area, but I recommend you bring an adapter and a cruise line approved power strip, because each plug is for a different type of amperage, one American, one British, and one EU. This is also where you'll find the hairdryer. Next to the desk area, you'll find the storage and closet area, which is actually pretty generous for the size of the cabin. You've got three drawers next to the desk, and then there's a full length closet, which comes with plenty of hangers. Inside the closet, you'll find shelves that are hidden in the back, two small pull down shelves. On both sides of the closet, there's also a couple of deep cubbies for additional storage. You'll see the small safe, just large enough for passports, jewelry, or smaller tech if you want to tuck it away while you're out exploring. If you need more space, there's also space under the beds to slide carry on luggage, which really helps keep the cabin tidy during your cruise. Here's another look at the beds after we had the room steward push them together. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more travel videos, and let me know in the comments what's your go-to cabin type when you cruise. Now I'll leave you here on the balcony to check out the sunset. If you like this video, check out these next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Drop a comment below and tell us what you'd love to see us post in the future.